Hey guys, it's Rebecca. So what I'm going to be doing is putting in the number 4 Restore and Repair Oil in my hair, and then I'm going to be blowing it dry. That's the one test that I haven't done with this product yet to see how it works. I have put it in and let my hair air dry. I've put it in, let my hair air dry, put more in, and then flat ironed it. So I want to put it in and then blow my hair dry. And I've actually had quite a few requests lately to blow dry my hair. Now, I hardly ever blow dry my hair, like ever. I usually let my hair air dry. I don't take a whole lot of time with my hair. Even when my hair was short or shorter, I never really blew my hair dry. I got up, I brushed it, and I went out the door. That's how I've always done it. I don't heat style my hair quite a bit at all. And I think since January, I've only blown dried my hair like 2, maybe 3 times. So that tells you how often I blow dry my hair. And it's been cold. So the only reason why I would blow dry it is if I was going out of the house. So I will be speeding up the rest of this once I get the product put in my hair and I blow dry it. That way you can, watch it and not have to listen to the noise of the hairdryer. So hopefully you like this video. Okay, so my hair is about 95% of the way dry. I still have some damp spots up here and a few damp spots in the back, but for the most part, my hair is dry. And I did use quite a few of the different features on this blow dryer. I used it on hot at first in order to blow dry my scalp, and then I used it on warm to run it through with the brush, and then cool at the end until I found those wet spots, and then I put it back up to warm. But I was using the cool shot. I'd go over one spot with it on warm and then go over it with a cool shot after to try and like lock it down. My hair is still a little bit frizzy, but for the most part, this actually helped tame some of my frizz. Now, of course, I've got static. See, I've got static in my hair from it being cold and dry here in Florida. But I think blow drying my hair with this product and it made it dry a lot faster, which is unusual for my hair. My hair doesn't usually dry that fast, and it doesn't usually blow dry this less frizzy. So my hair doesn't usually blow out this nice, and I usually take well over an hour to blow dry my hair, but this was actually a lot quicker than that. I'm surprised. I will be speeding up all the parts. So this is the blow dry test of the number 4, the Restore and Repair Oil, and just to show you how much more I've used of it. I will be doing a short video clip in the morning whenever I wake up to show you what my hair looks like after sleeping on it before a night, and it should be a lot more tame in the morning. So I wanted to throw this in here, and I will see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. I did just get done recording this look. It took me quite a while to do it, but that's not why we're here. This is my morning after check-in. I did wash my hair yesterday, actually like early evening, late afternoon. I did use the number 4 Restore and Repair oil in my hair, and I blew it dry. I had somebody ask me to record me blow drying my hair. I did. I'm not going to, like, I'll speed up most of it, but I'm not going to include the entire dry time. I think that would be a bit much. So I wanted to show you what my hair looks like right now. I am sitting on a stool because, like I said, I just finished this makeup look. So let me, and I don't even know if you can see all of my hair. When I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning, I went to bed about midnight. Woke up at 4 and I was awake. So like, okay, I could either go back to sleep or I could get up and be productive. So I got up and was productive. I already started editing the video I recorded last night, so it won't take as long. But as of right now, this is what my hair is looking like. It is super soft. My hair right now is so soft. That oil, oh my God, it is super soft. Like, my hair isn't like, I have a subscriber that always comments that my hair looks silky, and I'm like, well, my hair really isn't silky because if you feel it, it's coarse. It's very coarse. And I don't have any other products in my hair besides this oil, but my hair right now, it feels so soft. Like, my cat was playing with my hair when I went to sleep last night, and I expected to wake up with it all tangled and in knots and stuff, but it didn't. And I mean, it really is like super soft today. It's not frizzy at all. It is like a little staticky because, you know, it's cold outside. I mean, I'm wearing a long sleeve dress, if that tells you anything, but I really like how my hair is reacting to this product. It really is working well in it. I have had other oils that I've put in my hair and then I've blown dry my hair, and I've never had my hair this smooth. Usually it takes about 2 days for my hair to calm down enough from blowing it dry to get it this smooth. My hair never behaves this well. So whatever's in that oil is like magic, because my hair is like so behaved right now. I would probably have to flat iron my hair with other products in order to get it to look like this, just for the simple fact of I know what my hair is like and how it reacts with other products. So this is my last, I guess you could say this was my third review of the number 4 Restore and Repair Oil. I really like the product. I have used it in my hair wet and then just let my hair air dry. It was less frizzy, but it's still, my hair's frizzy. I have put it in my hair, let my hair air dry, and then flat ironed it, and it came out a hell of a lot smoother than this. I have put it in my hair wet and then let it, I've blown it dry, and then this is what it looks like, you know, well, I mean, it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So I've been up for 12 hours. I didn't record this when I first got up. I had other stuff that I was doing. So, you know, it is what it is. It's been almost 24 hours since I blow dry my hair, but I wanted to show it to you guys. So hopefully you enjoy. I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below, share with your friends, and subscribe if you're not already. I will see you guys in another video very soon. Have a great day or night wherever you are.